A carpet runner on a flight of stairs is more than just a design feature. Carpet can help protect the stairs from damage and wear, help muffle noise, and prevent slipping. We're going to show you all the steps you need to take to install a stair runner, and we'll give you a list of all the tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. We want to be sure the runner is long enough and wide enough to cover the stairs, so accurate measurements will be needed. Pick one stair tread, the top surface of the step, and measure its depth. Then measure the height of the riser, the vertical part of the step. Multiply the height by the number of risers and the depth by the number of treads on your staircase. Then add the two sums together, plus 6 to 8 inches to account for waist. That number will be the length of the runner needed. If you're using more than one runner, add an additional 12 inches to the total to account for seams where the two carpet pieces will join. If your staircase includes a landing and you choose to install the runner there, make sure to include the landing area in your measurements. For proper runner placement, we'll also need to find the center of each stair. Measure the width of the tread and divide by 2. That will be your center line. Mark that on your tread. Measure and mark the center of your runner. Then line up the center of your runner with the line marked on the tread, and mark the outer edge of each side of the runner. Repeat the same markings on each tread of the stairs. A carpet pad is needed for each stair tread. The depth of the pad is the depth of the tread, plus 3 more inches. The width of the pad is 2 inches narrower than the width of the runner. Measure, mark, and cut the pad accordingly. Then cut off the 2 front corners at 45-degree angles. Use this pad as a guide and cut as many as you need. Center the pad on the bottom tread and align the long edge with the riser. Leave a fingertip width space between them. Place a staple in the center and on both sides of the pad. Smooth the pad over the tread and over the nose. Pull it tight, then staple the pad to the underside of the nose. Repeat until all the treads are covered. If the treads of your stairs hang over the riser a little, a wrap installation method will be needed. You can choose to start at the bottom or the top of the staircase, depending on the size and space of the room. If necessary, remove the shoe at the base of the stairs. Cut a strip of double-sided tape shorter than the width of the rug. Press the tape along the top edge of the riser of the first tread, just under the nose or the base of the riser. Then line up the edge of the runner with the tape and press firmly, and staple the bottom of the riser. Use a bolster chisel to create a hard crease under the nose, and then staple the center, and then staple every 3 inches on either side. Smooth the rug against the riser and use a carpet stretcher to create a crease at the next tread. Staple the center of the rug to the bottom of the riser, then every 3 inches on either side of the runner. Continue stapling the base of the riser and underneath the nose of each stair until you get to the end of the runner. If the tread of your stairs doesn't hang over the riser, you can use the waterfall installation method. It's the same as the wrap method using a chisel and carpet stretcher, only you won't have to tuck the runner under the nose of the tread. Having a clean edge along the last runner will give you a professional look and also ensure there won't be any carpet pieces that could be a hazard. At the base of the final step, or the top of the last riser, press a chisel along the rug to create a crease under the nose. In this instance, the runner will finish cleanly under the nose. Use a knife to cut slits on the runner where the nose ends on the rise. Fold the carpet down and cut between the 2 slits with a straight edge. Create a clean cut and staple it into place. Once finished, make sure to reattach any loose moldings or removed finishes. Stair rods are a decorative element you can add to your runner. Place one bracket against each edge of the runner and slide it back until it sits in the crease where the riser and the tread meet. Hold the brackets in place and drill pilot holes in each. Screw one bracket into place and insert the rod. Attach the other bracket to the rod and secure it with a screw. Repeat for the other treads. Once you've learned how to install carpet on stairs, you can change the look of the staircases in your home while adding an extra layer of protection. Here's what you will need. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.